I'm standing in the middle of Bay Walk here in Ocean Beach. It's about 7:15 on Thursday, August 26th. And as you can see, it has turned into something that resembles a, I guess, water world or swamp or whatever adjective you'd like to use to describe the foot-plus water that is currently sitting here in Bay Walk. And I'm also standing in the middle of it as well. So this is panning towards Corneal. And I'm going to pan around this way, past some of the houses here, and through the glare of the sun. But down this way is the youth center and Whitney's Market.